All right, it's Luber Goober with my New Year's resolutions. All right, so I made some New Year's resolutions and I'm gonna talk about them here. So I'm gonna change some stuff in 2021, because 2020 sucked. First off, I gotta cut back on the bang. A lot of bang. My mama keeps telling me I'm drinking way too much bang. So I'm gonna have to cut back, down to 6. Well, 8. Okay, I'm just probably not gonna cut back on. I'm gonna keep drinking, 10, 12 a day. But, bang. Okay, now my boss says if I wanna keep working here, I got to stop taking so many bathroom breaks. He keeps talking about taking the door off the hinge because I'm in the bathroom so much. Well, I'm on my phone. Maybe taking care of a little business, but mostly I'm on my phone. So apparently I got to stop doing that too. Also, I need to stop wrecking cars because, I can't keep finding the perfect Civics because I keep wrecking them. It's expensive. As soon as I get my Go Fast parts on there, I wreck them. So I got to stop doing that. It's really hard finding 97 Civics. Start getting fart can exhaust on it and boom, I wreck it. Whoa. Got to stop doing that. All right, my mama also said I got to get my own phone. Because, she's tired of paying for all that internet usage I do on my phone. When you're on your phone 7 hours a day, it adds up. So I don't want to do that, but my mama said I ain't got no choice. So I guess I'm going to have to get me my own phone. All right, next one is, I got to pay off my tool debt. They keep threatening to break my legs. They're going to kill me. I haven't paid them in months, but, I ain't no reason to kill me because I owe them a bunch of money, but, every time they show up, I got to hide because, I owe them a bunch of money. But I already sold all my tools, so they can't repo them because I ain't got them. I'm wishing y'all a happy new year because this one sucked. Thanks for watching.